Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived two best friends named Ali and Abdullah. They loved to explore and discover new things. One sunny afternoon, as they were playing near a river, they found a shiny rock. The rock looked so special that it made them curious. Abdullah picked it up and asked, "Ali, what do you think this rock is made of?" Abdullah picked it up and Ali scratched his head. It's made of something called matter." "Matter? What's that?" Abdullah asked, puzzled. Ali thought for a moment and said, "I heard my teacher say that everything around us is made of matter. It's like the building blocks of everything we see and touch. Whether it's this rock, the trees, the water in the river, or even the air we breathe." Abdullah's eyes widened. "Wow. But what exactly is matter?" Ali smiled. "Matter is anything that takes up space and has weight. It comes in three forms: solids, liquids, and gases. This rock is a solid. It keeps its shape and doesn't change easily. The water in the river is a liquid. It can flow and take the shape of whatever container it's in. And the air we're breathing right now is a gas. We can't see it, but it's all around us." Abdullah looked around, amazed. "So, even though I can't see the air, it's still there because it's made of matter?" "Exactly." Ali nodded. "And here's something even cooler: everything, no matter what it's made of, is made up of tiny particles called atoms." "Exactly." Ali nodded. "And here's something even cooler: everything, no matter what it's made of, is made up of tiny particles called atoms. They're so small that we can't see them with our eyes, but they're the building blocks of everything." Abdullah was fascinated. Atoms. That sounds like magic. But how do these atoms work? Ali grinned. "Well, atoms stick together in different ways to form everything around us. Think of them like little puzzle pieces that come together to make all the things we see. In solids like this rock, the atoms are packed tightly together, so the rock keeps its shape. In liquids like water, the atoms are a bit more spread out, so the water can move and change shape. And in gases, the atoms are spread out the most, floating around freely." As they talked, Ali picked up a stick and dipped it in the river. "See how the water takes the shape of the stick? That's because it's a liquid and its atoms can move around. But if we tried this with the rock, it wouldn't change shape, because its atoms are tightly packed." "Exactly." Ali smiled. "Now, let's see how many different forms of matter we can find on our way home." Excited by their new discovery, Ali and Abdullah walked through the village, pointing out all the different things made of matter. They noticed the trees, solid, the river, liquid, the breeze, gas, and even the food they ate for dinner. By the end of the day, they had learned that matter was truly all around them, and that the magic of matter made their world an amazing place.